Let me click here, guys. Look at this. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message, we have scripts. Just hello there, people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe, and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here or let me just show you. So just copy your profile link, okay, on your Roblox on your browser and just paste here. You have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Super easy. Let me click continue, and guys, as you can see, user found. So the next step is select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Okay, just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. If you have this message, just wait for this redirecting, okay? And let's see the next step. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this, okay? So let me open the game and let's test does it actually work. So let's see, guys. Let me play this Grow Garden, okay? Let's see. And now, guys, I'm in the game, and as you can see, we have these panels. Let me click here, guys. Look at this. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message, we have scripts. Just click execute and enjoy in your free script. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you next. Bye.